be continued.
Can you tell everybody what you're doing?
We're cleaning tires because
Tell
last
us
time we
about
went to the track, we got a buggy and look, there's tires over there, tires over here, and the tire that I'm holding. But you know what? This one has no tire.
Why is that?
It was blown out.
Oh,
I had
no.
to rip the tire off.
I picked up all the pieces already.
Oh yeah, where'd you put them?
In the trash can. In
Oh,
the
small
workshop.
trash can. I'm trying to take out the balancing clay of one of them. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's that one.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Mhm.
Is it a lot of work?
Yep. We got a bunch of tires. We might even have to do it to be continued.
Well, we may not film cleaning every single tire, but this is just an idea of some of the things you have to do to be able to race.
Well, some of them we didn't even film the whole entire time, like those.
Yep. Okay, we're going to get back to it. We're just posting a short video to show tire
we
cleaning.
might have to do this tomorrow because I'm having Uncle Cody's birthday party with James and Kate, and I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, that's a little later.
Yeah. Well, that's tonight, actually. We're going to a park.
All right, we're going to get back to it.
I'll just put that down. Okay, this time. See, I was taking out the balancing clay so we could balance it again, but it's also a different color than ours. It's gray.
I wonder when the balancing clay picks up dirt if it messes up the balance.
Oh.
What do you think of that?
You wonder.
Yeah. So do you think your buggy's going to be able to jump? Clear all the
whole track. You're going to jump the whole track.
Are you looking forward to getting good enough to drive it and going to Sportsman e-buggy?
Yeah.
You know that some of the people that drive Sportsman e-buggy are probably going to think it's really fun to drive against you. That's going to be hilarious, isn't it? They have a lot of fun racing each other.
Well, they're going to have the most fun racing me.
That's right.
So I get to beat them all.
Yep, okay. We're going to get back to tire washing. I was just wanting to post a quick video of Donnie doing some work.
No, I wanted to.
Oh, Donnie wanted to.
They didn't want to stop like the whole video so quick.
Yeah. Well, I need to help. I can't film to help you. What do you want to say to all your viewers?
Goodbye. Water.
Ah!
Fill it off again.